What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Landaris, back at you with another video. Hey, don't mind the mess. Don't mind the mess right now. We in Tina the Turtle's room right now. You see her? You see her? It's my son's turtle. Yeah, buddy. Let's see. Tina the Turtle. Anyway, let's take a look at her. You see her floating. Man, I done had this turtle for I don't know how many years right now. This turtle been with us for about, I don't even know. I got the turtle when it was 15 years old. It's probably been a good, good another 10, 12 years, maybe 15. So let's see, my son's probably about a good 10 years we done had this turtle. So in our presence, this thing is about 25 years old. Give or take. Something like that, maybe. So 15 plus another 10, that's, yeah. About 30, somewhere around there. Anyway. But anyway, guys, don't mind the mess. Check it out. So, months ago, guy came and replaced this plastic filter, or this plastic piece that goes onto this slump pump. And right now, it's dry. I wanted it dry, but right now, I'm about to hit it with this Flex Steel, sponsored by L&L Lawn Service, where you get quality service at a reasonable price. Go get you one. Liquid rubber in a can. Anyway, guys, I am about to spray a little of this Flex Steel on here and then let it dry. Put like another little coat. So it looks like it's like two little pinholes on this filter. Let me show you. Take this thing off. This is a slump pump. So, sump pump right here, and right here where this clamp is at, I think the clamp, when he tightened it on here, after time or whatever, I don't know, it there's like little pinholes of water that comes out of here, which shouldn't be happening. So, I'm gonna hit it with this Flex Steel and then let it dry, and then make sure my pump is going, turn it back on, and make sure ain't no water leaking up out of here. So that's what I'm about to do. Nothing for you guys to really see, but I'll keep you posted and let you know about if it's sealed to hold up. I am very confident. I'm very confident that this is going to seal it, because I didn't use this product before. And, yeah, it stopped leaks. It does what it's supposed to do. Now, I tried to use this one time on my pool pump. Not my pool pump, but my pool filter. Now, you know, in a pool filter, that pool filter actually expands. Then when you turn it off, it goes back to the normal size. But there's so much pressure with water from the pump and all that stuff, with those pool pumps and the pool filters, that this didn't work on there. It didn't work on there. But for everything else that I use this thing on, from leaks to sealing tire leaks and my tires, things like that, it's basically liquid rubber in a can. And you just spray it on there, let it dry, spray it on there, let it dry. And sooner or later, it's either going to stop the leak or whatnot. But the key thing is letting it all dry and then spray it on there, cover up the hole or whatever you're trying to stop leaking. Put another coat on there and let that dry. And it just turns into a liquid rubber coating that seals up stuff. So, like I said, what I'm going to do is spray it around. So instead of having the guy come out and switch that piece out, I could go get a piece probably from Lowe's or Home Depot. Just take those brackets off and then just replace it. I don't feel like it. I'm going to use this right here. Spray that little hole where the water's coming out at and let it dry. Spray it again just to be on the safe side, and it's going to seal it. So I'll keep you guys posted. But yeah, if you guys ain't never checked out this Flex Steel, like I said, I used this on a flat tire one time, and on my Skag, it had sliced the tire, and I ended up using this on it, and man, it worked. So yeah, I can't say nothing else about it, but let me go ahead and do this, and I'll keep you guys posted. Catch me on the next video, but that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to spray some along where that little bracket piece is at, or the clamp, the top clamp at, because I think he tightened it so much over time, he kind of made like little pinholes in it. So maybe, I think it's like 1 or 2 pinholes where just a little pinhole stream of water comes out. And I'm just gonna spray it. I'm gonna hit it with this, let it dry, hit it with it again, and then I'll turn the pump back on. But yeah, catch me on the next video, guys. All right, like, subscribe. Hey, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Check out some more of my videos, and man, I'll see you on the next video. All right, peace.